So with the spring season just around the corner, one thing I thought would be fun to do is to go through all of the equipment that I plan on using at the start of this season and throughout the rest of the year. I watch a lot of golf videos on YouTube, and golf is a hobby of mine, and a lot of the golfers are doing a what's in the bag video talking about the different clubs that they're using and things like that. And I thought it'd be fun to kind of play off of that a little bit and do a little bit of a what's in the garage for me. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started. So for the lawnmower, I have the Husqvarna 625 AWD lawnmower. It comes with a 22-inch deck. I believe this is the 2015 model. So it's a few years old, and this is the first lawnmower that I've ever owned, and it's a great starter lawnmower. I am limited on the fact that it is a 22-inch deck. I do have 12,000 square feet of lawn, and so it does take me some time to cut. So hopefully in the near future I'll be upgrading to a bigger mower, larger deck. But this thing has been a great mower. I really enjoy using it. It's got all-wheel drive, and it's really easy to maneuver, and it gets the job done really, really nice. As for my trimmer, I recently upgraded to this one. I've had it for a year or so. This is the Echo PAS 225. And the one thing that I really love about this, other than it has a lot of power and it works really well and I get the job done really fast, is that it comes with an edging attachment as well. So I can swap out the trimmer for the edger. Really easy. It takes hardly any time at all, maybe 30 seconds. And I'm done trimming and I'm edging, and then when I'm done with that, I'll put the trimmer piece back on and I'm good to go. Works really, really nice. It has a lot of power, and it's a really great tool. Really love using it. Okay, and here's my spreader. This is the Earthway 2050P Estate Spreader. And I love this thing. I upgraded it from a Scott's mini spreader, and it was the best decision I ever made. I love that it has the inflatable tires, the ergonomic tires, and it holds way more material. Like I said, I have a bigger yard, and I need to hold more material when I'm doing my applications. This particular spreader holds 80 pounds of material, and it has the side spread control feature on it for your trim passes, and it has a nice even spread to it. Really enjoy using this. Okay, the leaf blower that I use, this is a Ryobi 18 volt 1+ leaf blower, and it is perfect. It's smaller, it's lightweight. I really like the trigger on the handle for turning it on and off, and the batteries charge up relatively fast. Really great blower, really good addition to the equipment that I use. This is more of a bonus tool here, but this is my Benzomatic lawn and garden torch. I use this solely for getting rid of the crack weeds in the driveway and the sidewalk around my house, just to keep those weeds clear. I found it's the easiest way, and I also find it really therapeutic as well, just to burn those weeds with this torch. And it works really, really well, and it's really, really fun. If you're looking for a little something extra to add to your arsenal for your sidewalk upkeep, this is a really fun addition. Okay, this is my pump sprayer. I use this primarily for weed control and pest control. Whenever I'm done with it, I'll just rinse it out, flush out the tube, and it's a great sprayer. It's heavy duty. It holds 2 gallons. I've marked those out on the side because they're hard to see. Has a really nice, comfortable grip on it, has a locking system, and of course I traded out the default brass tip for the fan spray. Works really well. I've never felt like I've needed more than this for pest control or weed control. Definitely looking into backpack sprayers though for blanket applications for the next products. Definitely a great sprayer though. Would recommend it for any do-it-yourself homeowner. While we're on the topic of sprayers, this is my Ortho dial and spray hose end sprayer. It works really well. I did have some issues with it, but I think I've got it figured out now, and we will take a look at that early on this season. I like that it has an adjustable nozzle. You can adjust the spray pattern, and of course you can adjust the amount of product that flows in and mixes in with the water as well. I use this solely for applying the next products to the lawn, and it does a really good job. I definitely look forward to using this in the coming year. And finally, this is my Snowblower. Picked this up a couple years ago, and it was the best decision I've ever made, considering that I was only shoveling my driveway and my walks, and it can really take a toll on you. So upgrading to this was a really nice decision. It's already paid off, and this is a great snowblower. This is the Toro Snowmaster 724QXE with personal pace, and it is a beast. It does really well. Again, like the spreader, it has the inflatable tires. It grips really well on the slick surfaces. Really like that I have control over the chute from the rear with that joystick. It works really nice, and yeah, makes clearing the driveway a lot easier. So that's going to pretty much do it for this one. That's the equipment that I currently have in my garage and that I look forward to using. Now the next step is to make sure that everything is tuned up and ready to go, so that when it comes time to actually use it, it's ready and we won't have any problems. So we'll look forward to the weather warming up and getting back outside and being in the lawn quite a bit this year. So with that, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.